In this podcast, we will solve a proportion. This proportion contains algebraic expressions. Anytime you solve a proportion, you want to cross-multiply. When you cross-multiply in a proportion, those products, those answers you get from doing that multiplication are equal. And so I'm going to take a 6 and I'm going to multiply it by 1 plus 1, or y plus 1, excuse me. And that's going to equal my other cross product of 12 times the quantity y minus 2. When you multiply with algebraic expressions, you do need to multiply any whole number by the quantity of that algebraic expression. And so 6 times y plus 1, I'm going to have to use the distributive property. I'm going to have to distribute the 6 to both the y and the 1. That becomes 6y plus 6. And that's going to equal on the other side. Again, I have to use my distributive property to distribute the 12, and that's going to give me 12y minus 24. Now what I'm left with is a linear equation. I need to get my variables on one side and my constants on the other. So I'm going to subtract 6y from both sides. Doesn't matter which one you do, I just chose 6y because this way 12 minus 6 gives me a positive 6y. And if I subtract the 6y, my second step is going to be to add the 24 to both sides. And so 6 plus 24 gives me 30. Now I want to isolate that y term, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6. And I get y equals 5. And that is my final answer.